Hello, I'm Brian, and welcome to EPDM Coatings. If your roof leaks, you found the right place. With over a 25-year history of success, Liquid Rubber is the only liquid EPDM rubber in the world. Proudly made in the USA, Liquid EPDM has proven itself to outlast elastomerics, acrylics, and urethanes 3 times longer. Liquid EPDM will not chalk unlike the sheet version, and Liquid EPDM can be applied to virtually any surface without a primer. This one-coat application has made it the choice of thousands of customers throughout the years. Once you add up the cost of other multiple coat systems plus the associated extra labor cost, you will see that Liquid EPDM is the smart choice. Stop using other systems that require multiple coats and add needless weight to your roof. Liquid EPDM waterproofs immediately upon application and will withstand ponding water 365 days a year. We challenge you to find another product that stands up to that claim. EPDM Coatings has been awarded by both Metal Roofing Magazine and Building Services Management. Review our testimonials and customer videos on our site. We are always here to answer your questions. We offer free shipping on orders within the continental United States. Oh, and don't forget to look us up on Facebook to get updates and current promotion coupons. Thanks for listening, and we look forward to servicing you.